Nitwani Bilela Eloga Baloi. What happens after Peter Mokaba Stadium?
Mzaya ngatsitsuma yengesela volume karatu ngatsitsuma kutwala swa nchumu amashika ya xikhale Mzaya ngakahlula wasitwa leswo wasitwa teka
Pesivara has not been an original artist. His entire music career has been based off copying other people. Selo wela nguta Benny Mayengani. I don't see any creativity or innovation from his team. The resources are there, mara akuna any effort to bring anything shanyule shingatanyisa Mayengani. So instead of criticizing the Ntorobelo, because I really expect a lot from Mayengani, he is underperforming according to me. He could do better. Tele buthanda ngopfu. Yena management yena could do way better. They could. He thought the artist was like Khaled, the little one artist late take over mateko ibalanda straight. He been the last person to ever do that. Where's that artist who can stand toe to toe each song? Not the rest on the mainstream. But anyway, say I solve any issue I've been Mayengani. What's the plan? It's about our plan, it's clear. But Benny needs to rebrand himself. Or blind the money which tells you he's a great performer. Fanana Drake as boy ku artsala sim ntsena va ri na marito malamo ta kuma ndlela yena yo ibeka ndlela yo tsakisa. That is very powerful. So Benny's the yo yiva, I'll be open with it and write and take and what a man the man fanana wa Michael Bublé. Michael Bublé the man no in that cover. That white guy and look at the cover. Michael Bublé. Yeah. Fanana wa Michael Bublé. As the Slama Kololes, I human live, I knew go Kalazo Maliabon. But because Benny upambla ngopfu, especially marabenta, I ended cover. And once he starts doing cover music, he won't be limited to any genre. He can do any song he wants, which will expand his market, his audience. The beauty at the cover, you usually take the classic songs that are already hits, so that nostalgic feel you got same you grab attention at the audience. I ain't getting the music. I've put together the simile the Benny Mayengani could steal. Yeah, songs that Benny Mayengani should steal to revive his career. And these songs are specific to unlock certain ears within the market, Lababa Fambini, and to make him known, breakthrough, got the mainstream media, and just have better songs that can live. You know, there's an artist yingaleka shimusha Benny Mayengani fanele yiba yisungula ku endla timeless music that people can keep playing over and over, that guarantees him relevance for a very long time. He should now start making music like, think like an 800-meter runner instead of 100-meter. Akarankarova Usain Bolt me recorded the album overnight Mayengani ngaro mtama and plan your shit. So if you had one album that could live for 2 years, then Project Lay, it's made up of 6 songs and we had to mess up one each quarter, each season. So rosungula risemba ringata pfula this project i risimu ra Roselia Mboa ve imawako.
Alirandu la mamani aliheri, alirandu la baba alichinji, alirandu la wakali alikuki. Alirandu la mamani aliheri, alirandu la baba alichinji, alirandu la wakali alikuki. Kutokula mwana alishanza, alipika, alikaya. Kutokula mwana alishanza, alipika, alikaya. Kuveni ranzu na wachali na fuka, nalivalela, nifuka ili ranzu. Logo vangwa miela wachali vanga yangule, na wapatire, hauna wingi wena. Logo vango miela wachali vanga yangule, na makwatile, hauna wingi wena. Logo ango miela mamali anga yangule, na kwatile, hauna njambu wena. Logo ango miela ye baba anga yangule, na kwatile, hauna njambu wena.
Very emotional song. Mawako fudila keep the beat. Era similar kensa kubatswara because we abatswara. It's time to let the audience in. You know, your fans have been with you since day one. Let the people in. Tell them about your pain, your fear. That kutikerwa ka wena kupfumala batswara, but you write the song from perspective you we abatswara. Everyone who still has their parents, show them more love, ba appreciate them, ba kumenrana bahlahisa. Do that. Genge itababamela. Tisimu leti tinga endlelwa ku nga ti anthem to khensa vatswari always wa ku vutisa Shinyori knows that shit. Vatswari i vanhu lava banga market ya guaranteed. They are like vana va xikolo or vana just ku ha mutswari anga n'wi rhandzi ku n'wana yena, ku ha n'wana anga n'wi rhandzi ku mutswari wa yena. That's a song that you should. And wa vona simu leri na that pasadanyana loko ri endla afro pop nyana mawako ya easy or relax, have the market. Open your rollout as this rebranded Mayengani with Mawako. Lao Sharak your personal pain. That'll establish you as a different artist. I listen come get Ghana na bujo na borangani. Make music that means something. People listen to music because ikota ku baba ba kota ku vulavula ku expressa leswi va swi twaku ndzeni. It's similar. Kuna vanhu vo tala va nga lahlekeriwa hi vatswari, kuna vanhu lava va hanyeliwaku but va na a lot of anger towards their parents. Release such a song, you'll be able to have everyone connect to one song, but from one kaitusa from their different perspective. Ewe taga track 2 bare track 2 ngoma tibzana ya Elvira Viegas. tani ti tsavule Mozambique leti leri la black coffee ka mu humesa mali mi kuma feature. It must be tribal with elements ta gospel nyana. It's a beautiful story ya Tibzana loko ve is a hero nana khale ya Vatsonga. But the beauty of the song, you know that aggression, man. It's like an anthem you are nyipini. Ilava ungena utitwa ngaku uya nyipini sibara. Uvuma, you know that voice ya wena. Ngaku you are leading an army. Tell a beautiful historic story. This type of songs look at management down at Clarin. Look at me approach when we find out black coffee. Let's say you can either another for the dope feature. Munanga like a nice beat. Look at me someone like a black coffee. That will make Benny Mayengani just for PR purposes stand out. And then let's miss end lako. Me kuma story shangwa matibzana. I mean that shibukwa ni shavana. Resimu ruhuma another book. Me endla for free kuri vatswari va ta va download the deal. Part of promoting the song me ta kuma a lot of press, especially ukhomi heavyweight yo fana na black coffee or black motion. That's how you break through mainstream. It will be easy to get airplay. Loko ba basla go mtanga ba hakeleni. That's how the game works kwa the morals at the mnyana. There's a bigger plan. Benny angafi ilongulanguta. He's a very important artist. He needs to make the right moves to stay alive. Similar Ramama Tibzan, I feel it's a very powerful song. It will even test his vocal singing. Ebi kuba na element la xikari uyitshikaku ungenisa some spirituality kuma choir ya Xitsonga yi ba something la swi saseka mfu ya mazula loko ni kota ku yimbelela I would do this shit myself mara nyiko ni hava. So risimu after kwalano kusandziwa ta Basilly.
No pimisa muzandu wa wanga, 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 no pimisa muzandu wa nifamba, ingeno famba ni muzandu wa wanga, no pimisa muzandu wa nifamba, ingeno famba ni muzandu wa wanga, no pimisa muzandu wa wanga, no pimisa muzandu wa wanga. Lupimisa muzandu wa wanga, lupimisa muzandu wa wanga, lupimisa muzandu wa wanga. Nimbelele muzandu wa wanga, lupimisa muzandu wa wanga. Nimbelele muzandu wa wanga, lupimisa 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 muzandu wa wanga. Lupimisa muzandu wa wanga, lupimisa muzandu wa wanga, lupimisa muzandu wa wanga, lupimisa muzandu wa wanga. Nikupekela muzandu wa wanga, lupimisa muzandu wa wanga. Nikupekela muzandu wa wanga, lupimisa muzandu wa wanga, lupimisa muzandu wa wanga, lupimisa muzandu wa wanga, lupimisa muzandu wa wanga. Lupimisa nibekisela muzandu wa wanga, lupimisa nibekisela muzandu wa wanga, lupimisa 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 muzandu wa wanga. Kule niembelelela muzandu wa wanga, lupimisa muzandu wa wanga. Kule niembelelela muzandu wa wanga, lupimisa 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 muzandu wa wanga.
This is the guy who put on Mr. Bow. Yeah, Jewish man. Wa marabenta lawa ya new age. He once had the game early 2000s. Hello. The Basilly dope song is a sing along. Can't maintain what's the matter. Oh yeah. Kulaveka ungena ka market ya he Muzanziwa. Risimu leri ri lava ngopfu market ya mcato. Mr. Bow is proof ku ri mcato ya hanyisa. He doesn't really need to perform at events. Yes, mcato. Vanhu va catana for randa really. Randa is booming business forever. Was kota ku partner na the right people, big wedding planners Limpopo, and you come with the package. Loko ri endla risimu leri ku va mix ya marabenta yi va na afro pop nyana. We bisa sweswo easy, you know, put on the suit game. Utukumela na who's hot in this afro baby, utukumela a nice feature la. Mboa kuma feature like ya Jeff Malele ko buisa Jeff Malele or Mr. Bow. Ambere semguru rata Basilly. Oh, ulanda uya pfupfula ta Basilly so that utakota kuba na a crossover. It would be a nice comeback for the Basilly on that other side, and he could be able to put you on at level ya Benny Mayengani. He needs to be a crossover artist, not strong but big time. Se mchato imalinga yeriko, if he maintains that market, it's forever. Loko isoka kwalano, it's time for Benny kwa weka disco. Nita kukhoma ikwini ya Fany Mpfumo or Fany Mpfumo. Fany Mpfumo etin'wana ta tinene tikulu ta marabenta. Lived very much in South Africa. Sound ya yena ina vu Soul Brothers, ni vana disco nyana. This would be a nice fit. This a Joe Shiriman. There is a Joe Shiriman. Joe Shiriman must produce the song. Yeah, Joe Shiriman, and then it's a disco, strictly disco. Benny Fanega a channel that Peter Teenage spirit ili ilabe ka similar. It's a love song narona. Nice wordplay, tongue twister nyana, the way Fany asubeksa we sona kwenta kukhomsa kuyini nonyana lesonga kom. Easy song to make. Just needs the right type of Joe would know what to do with the song. Nangutsemba Joe. Youth wants to voice out their pain, and the Mabunu have been our enemy. Lengailanga. I know magana labangwan should come up ekwatele Mabunu zen because they are our last oppressors. So irisimura Jeremias Nguenha. Ve aboom.
hlawula nhloko xiherile avana va Mozambique valo kole Joni wa swi tiva we avana va Mozambique va yelo hi ku biwa wa swi tiva we u tama kun'wana ale Joni a file hi ku biwa u tama kun'wana ale mgodini a hlawile hi tingwana u tama kun'wana o tirha a file hi ku biwa na ku vela ku va fika lokaya hi va nyika hinkwaswo va swi lava hi va nyika mahanti va busa hi va nyika malwandli va tseva hi va nyika makwati va hlahla hi va nyika hinkwaswo va swi lava
Beno barisa muzavalazo angakora tipoint tikulukumba ngopfu hi Xitsonga futhi a new age muzavalazo song ya Vatsonga. EFF would use it at their rallies, he would score points kwele amajiteni, and it will still be a nice song just overall Ravatsonga from Mzavalazo. Tap into that struggle, tap into that pain. This song is about racism, so you just twist it and that about relevant for Fees Must Fall, the crime la South Africa, and then obviously we'll take other points for the situation ya Makweru la South Africa basuka ku Mozambique. Classic song nale Mozambique bangathela ba re appreciate it because it's another classic from Mozambique. Ebupfala risimu ke i cinca automi jaku i João Wate.
Vana va Moçambique, va moçambicano, vana va Moçambique, va moçambicano. Ai aquela tico trejo, Angelicalejant, ai chamene mindangwini yezo. Nene na iguanana ai akena tiku trejo Angelicalejant ai chamene mindangwini yezo kunene na iguanana kambe fanela kuchavanana ifanela kutumbanana ifanela kuingisetana itakota kuvumbana njile ifanela kuchavanana ifanela kutumbanana ifanela kuingisetana itakota kuvumbana chukumeta mona wako chivala kuhlupeka kwako tizela atiku drako na utrimuka akaya kwako chukumeta mona wako chivala kuhlupeka kwako tizela atiku drako na utrimuka akaya.
Un'wana wa le Mozambique na yena loyi cinca vutomi bya wena as a singalong ya tixaka yo a yi khomaneni ya vanhu se Mayengani wa endla yena mi ya ka Chico Sibari mi kombela va mi bela beat a singalong and anthem Chico the Blind anthem va ku bela anthem, jump on it, and then u rendla yena wa vona risimu lera tinsimu leti va rhandza ku ti endla ku va ti endlela like for a cause ivi ku ta different celebrities va ku hayi khomaneni u landzetela hinkwato legend. So this song is about vun'we bya Vutsonga byela encourage Vatsonga hinkwavo ku hlangana hi tshika hinkwaswo swa swicele as the song says, and then u teka all the icons vo Xinyori vo Jomosono hinkwavo na tihosi to hambanahambana, and they just record one message ya Vatsonga hi vanhu, hi Vatsonga hi vanhu, hi Vatsonga hi vanhu fucking great for PR sweswo. Great PR shit. 2 years hinkwayo with just these 6 songs. It'll be headlines after headline. An increase in sales because of effort. Kwa kuri career ya Benny Mayengani tava na power. Iminzumba. Se swile ku humeni moya swile swi. Kulaveka the next big thing. He needs to think outside the box, get out of his comfort zone, and make real moves. Benny should be making the game entertaining. What's about Benny? How exciting that shit was. He had everyone's attention. So it's just him and his crazy fans. And that dog with the crazy fans, Benny, singing your praises non-stop. Loko se itaka swilo swa measurable, what has Benny done? Leshi ingataku, he's a legend for it. It's very limited. And it has been proven. Loko Benny atira na van'wana, he performs better other than loko atira riyaxe. He needs a team, serious team, so that he can make real moves. Ataba nyoka ya ntshava, kulungwani wa dzonga.